Alright guys, how's it going? I've got some news for you, but mainly I need your help. I've finished my debut album, recorded, mixed and mastered, just got the tracks back a few days ago. But I can't release it until I make maybe about a few £1,000. That's to pay for like all the artwork, the CDs, the promo, the music videos and stuff like that. And until that is done, I can't move out of my parents' house, and I won't be happy until I'm actually out of here and actually living my life again, sort of thing. Because when the album was finished, that's when my university course was done as well. So it's sort of like it's all ended, but I need to kind of get back up on my feet. So what I'm doing is half an hour, £7, guitar lessons over Skype. I'm an incredible classical guitar player, pretty good metal player. Like if you've ever seen Rocky, you've got the guy who trains him, you know, that's me. I'll turn you into an absolute beast. So it's like classical, metal, rock, teach how to play guitar, and then anything else you want to learn, such as like chords, composition, scales, keys, intervals, stuff like that. Sort of like the theory side, composition. And it's like, even though I don't usually strum chords, I'm not a singer-songwriter, it's like, you know, I've been playing for 9 years, I've been in musical education for 7, so I've seen a lot of stuff. And in college as well, which was 5 years ago, we were told that you can't just do one thing, you need to do lots of things so you can actually be like sort of like a jack of all trades. So back at that time I was actually learning like a lot of sort of that psychedelic funk stuff, country, blues, jazz. But then I sort of found what I wanted to do, and then I went on to pursue that, which is metal and classical. But I have seen a lot of stuff in my time, so it should be good. I can teach you whatever you want, and if, say, I do have to learn something before we start or whatever, it doesn't matter, we can just organise it. I'll see what it is that you need, and then I'll be in a situation to be able to teach you, to get you to where you want to be. So that's it. For this to happen, what you need is Skype, PayPal and Facebook. Skype is so we can do the lesson like through the computer, through video. Facebook, so it's like if you want to do this, like I'm going to leave like the links to my Facebook in the description. I'm not sure whatever else at the minute, but you just click on that, message me, whatever, then we'll discuss what we want to do. Then PayPal is just sending me the cash after the lesson. I've also got a donate button on my channel. Like if you go into the channel, there's like a donate here button in like the sort of top right of the screen. But that's if, I don't know, if there's any lessons where you think, oh, I've been with this guitar guy for years, this guitar teacher, and he can't do anything, and I've came onto this lesson about theory and you taught me more than I've ever learned, or that I've ever learned at school from this guitar teacher. You know, if you ever think that that's helped you out, you know, you'd be helping me a lot, you know, if you just donate like a few pounds or something. But that's the thing, I'm not here to beg for money. So it's like, okay, if you do think you'd like a lesson, then I can offer you that for money instead. So that's what I'm here for. So hopefully some of us, we can make this happen, and that'll be really cool. And obviously I'm going to try as hard as I can to give you your money's worth. So that's it. Any questions, guys, please let me know, because I'm sure I might have missed a few details or whatever, but we'll get to that, because obviously we need to speak first before we can decide what we're doing and stuff, what I'm teaching you, when you want to do it, if you want to do it, you know. So thank you very much, guys. Cheers for watching, take care, and God bless.